Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing a Lenovo tab and a universal pencil, first generation. So I think I'm gonna start with the tab, then I got the pencil. So the tab comes with a clear case. It has 128 GB storage, 4 GB RAM, and it's 10.1 inches. So let's see. So this is the case and this is the tab. And here it is. So this is how it is, and the box comes with the user's manual. Oh, and for inserting the pin,
SIM card.
The SIM card. It also comes with the charger and adapter. And here is the case. So this is the case and it is here. And it comes with a stand. Pause. So this is what it looks like with the case on. So it's very rubbery but durable. And now time to unbox the pencil. So it says it's compatible with Android, Apple, iPhone, and tablet PC. So now let's open it up.
It's such a cute pencil.
And here it is. And this point is where you charge.
So fancy.
Here is where the cable is, but it does not come with an adapter.
You have to find a suitable adapter for it.
And now let's turn it on. But this is how it works. So I'm done. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye guys.